Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily create Instagram ads with Canva. What we are going to need for this particular work, it's obviously Canva and some ideas. So I can help you to get into Canva. So canva.com is out there for everyone. It's a really nice graphic designer program, and you can really create any type of creating stuff online. We have to create an account here, but don't worry, it's pretty easy. I already created a video about it, so yep. And also it's completely for free, so you don't even have to give them your credit card information. You'll be all set without any problem. So here we are, and we are already logged in, and we are about to create a design. If you are creating Facebook ads or Facebook campaign, Facebook is working on rectangular campaigns. So it's like 16:9, for example, in inches, but Instagram works on squared ones. So what we want to do is go with Instagram ad, and let's go with top right corner, click on create design, and then custom size. So now we can pick the width and the height, and it's in inches. We want to switch to pixels, and so we want to go with 1080 by time 80 in pixels, and click on create graphics. This will give you your squared option in here. And all we have to do is click and start designing. So let's go with add heading, and for example we can go with car wash. Let's go like this. We can obviously go with the background. Some of them will have a watermark as this one, but that only means that you have to actually subscribe or switch to premium account. But there are tons where you don't have this Canva watermark. For example, this one, this one, this one. Let's find something that it's actually different. Okay, let's go with this car wash. Then we can add text. Obviously, you have some combinations like this one. So I'm gonna go with car wash. Just like that. Make it a bit smaller. Center it. Okay, we are here. We can make it even a bit like overlapping on top, but it won't show. Yet again, if you see those gold crowns next to the writing, don't worry. It just means that you can't really use it because you have to go Canva Premium. I'm purposely not using the premium because all of my tutorials are completely for free. What now? We can now, for example, use photos from upload. In my case, I'm going to upload this logo of mine, which is this little wolf. Let's make it equal to the car wash. Okay, let's go back, for example, to the elements. With elements we can write down car, and we have a couple options that we can use, like this Bentley or something. I don't know, it's completely up to you. You can really pick a car that you like those Ferraris or Lamborghinis, but you see there are little golden crowns next to them. And also you can add a video, but video mostly aren't for free, but we can explore them, like this one's for free, like this. You can put it in here, but it won't go very well with my bluish background. But yeah, okay, no, let's not use it. Let's use the Bentley. And with text we can easily go with something like opening hours. You can go with like this, and we can go with now open. Okay, just like that. And add page, and we can just use the same background. Which one was it? This one? Yes. No, it's this one. And go with text, add a subheading, and let's go Monday to Friday, 9 to 17. Saturday, let's go 10 to 14, and Sunday can go with closed. Okay, and now go with oop. Just like that. Yep. And we have really nice ad that we can just place on well, really nice ad according to me. What we have to do now is just click on share option. We can now copy the link, or we can download it. If we download it, we can go with PNG, which is suggested, or PDF, or we can even go SVG if you're a paid subscriber, you know. So that's about it, guys. Once you download it, you can straight away use it without any problems. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day, and goodbye.